Charlie, are you there?
Dude, this sucks. What are you even doing here? I did not invite you.
What are you talking about, man? You already invited me.
No, I did not. I did not send you any message.
But you sent me on the phone. I
I didn't even know who that guy is.
That's Jake, bro.
I don't know
him. You
I
know
know
Jake.
he's dead on my.
We talked about this earlier.
That guy's dead on my couch.
Bro, we talked about this earlier. This is how he is, you know?
Okay, look, man. It's Halloween night. It's all fun. I get it. I don't believe in this. You know I don't believe in this.
It's good fun, man. Come on, lighten up a bit.
I've seen your Facebook page. I know all you do is talk about like ghosts and fridges and ghosts.
Come on, how do you know they're not real?
How do I know they're not real?
They're not real,
I live my life. I can see. I perceive reality.
Really?
Dude.
Come on. What if a fridge kills you?
A fridge is not. Are you kidding? A fridge is not gonna. What are you talking about? A fridge is not gonna kill me.
Don't open the fridge!
I got lost. Can I use your bathroom?
Yeah, sure, man. It's just down that way.
Thank you.
Attendance, clubs,
See this shit? Is he still in there? It's been like 2 hours.
Is there something I'm supposed to remember?
Oh my god. The fridge is killing people.
Man, get the fuck out of the way!
Whoa! Whoa!
No!
On the fridge. Prepare to die. Some ice would be nice. Oh shit! Yeah, why would you do that? I hate humans.
Is that it?
I did it!